It is currently 10 degrees in Central Texas. We have this much firewood left. Our pregnant foster dog is in early labor.
How are those babies doing?
The house is freezing. The electricity went out. And the puppies have to stay warm once they're born.
Mama's having some contractions. Yeah, Mama is a good girl.
It's such a big responsibility knowing that Maggie was relying on us, that obviously the puppies were relying on us. I was like, we've got to figure something out. And so that whole day, Maggie was very still. She just had the look like she knew that it was coming. By that evening, Maggie started messing with the pillows. We moved her into the bathroom and put the hot shower on to at least steam it up. As those puppies were born, Maggie just blew me away. The house was still getting colder and no sign of electricity coming back on. And the puppies weren't even getting dry.
Y'all, this is one of the scariest things I've ever done.
So my husband was like, I've got my car running. I moved the seats out. I put a tarp down. There's blankets. So we moved her into the car, and that's where she finished having her puppies.
What a pretty little puppy. Y'all fighting.
And then it was morning somehow. They're still in the car, still no electricity, but you know, the car's a good setup, the puppies are warm. My parents live 45 minutes away. We eventually did get a hold of them and they were like, we have power. If you want to try to drive to us, you can. When we walked into my parents' house, I could have just cried. I was just like, we're gonna be okay. I just feel so fortunate that all 7 puppies were born alive and that they thrived regardless of the circumstances. Maggie and her puppies are doing really well. She's been working hard these last 3 weeks, taking such good care of her babies, and you can just see it on her face that she's tired. But the puppies are good. They are becoming more like dogs every day. So we'll have her and the puppies for a few more weeks, and then it'll be time to help them go find their forever homes. I want her to find a family that's gonna love her as well as she's loved and taking care of her puppies.
Look at the cute little squishy babies and such a good mama.
Envision Maggie with a family that has kids because she's been amazing with mine.
Puppy! They're trying to get to their mommy.
First and foremost, she's a nurturer at heart.
Yeah, those are her babies.
She just loves to be loved on and to spend time with you. I hope that her forever family sees how well Maggie will love their family because she's really special.